You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word in English. The English pronunciation, I know the spelling is a little bit confusing, but the pronunciation is as bead. So you could spell it B-E-E-D. That would make the spelling a bit less confusing, let's say. Bead, bead, or the plural. How to pronounce in English beads. Bead. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.